Ever wondered what those small, soft skin growths that may appear on your body are? Welcome to the intriguing world of skin tags. These little annoyances, medically known as acrocordons, commonly pop up in areas where your skin folds, think armpits, neck, or the groin area. They're prevalent, with statistics suggesting that nearly half of all adults will have at least one in their lifetime. Skin tags are incredibly common, affecting both men and women, especially as they age. And while anyone can get them, they're even more common in people who are overweight or have diabetes. Though they're benign and don't pose a health risk, they can be a source of discomfort or self-consciousness. Despite their harmlessness, these little skin growths can be quite annoying, catching on jewelry or clothing, or even getting irritated from rubbing against your skin. But what if you could remove these pesky skin tags at home? Is it possible? Let's unravel this mystery together. Before we delve into removal, let's first understand what causes skin tags. Skin tags, as supported by various studies on PubMed, are primarily caused by the friction of skin rubbing against skin. They are essentially soft, benign growths that often appear on areas where the skin folds, such as the neck, armpits, or groin. Certain risk factors increase the likelihood of developing skin tags. Obesity is a significant one, as the excess skin can cause more friction. Those with diabetes are also more prone to skin tags due to the insulin resistance causing changes in the skin. Pregnancy too, with its hormonal changes and weight gain, can be a contributing factor. While skin tags are not a sign of a serious health condition, they can be aesthetically displeasing, causing individuals to seek removal. Now that we understand the causes and risk factors, let's move on to the exciting part: skin tag removal at home. So you've got a skin tag and you want it gone. How can you do this at home? Let's start with one of the oldest methods, tying off the skin tag with a thread. This method, also known as ligation, involves wrapping a thin piece of thread or dental floss around the base of the skin tag. Over a few days, the thread cuts off the blood supply to the skin tag, causing it to fall off. However, use this method with caution, as it can cause minor discomfort and potentially lead to infection if not done correctly. Next, there's a variety of over-the-counter treatments available. These typically involve salicylic acid or tea tree oil, which, when applied to the skin tag, can help it to dry out and fall off. PubMed studies have shown that these treatments can be effective, but they should be used with caution, especially on sensitive areas. Natural remedies have also gained popularity. One such remedy is apple cider vinegar. The theory is that it works by breaking down the tissue within the skin tag. To use this method, you simply soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and hold it over the skin tag with a bandage. But remember, this method may not be suitable for everyone and can cause skin irritation. Remember, it's always best to consult a dermatologist before trying any of these methods at home. So there we have it. Skin tags can be annoying, but there are ways to remove them at home. Remember, we've walked through what skin tags are, their causes and risk factors, and even how to tackle them right at home. However, it's crucial to seek professional advice before attempting any skin tag removal. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel Facts Academy 0122E, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content.